Fall down. DA must fall. DA must fall down.
My name is Thuthukile Zuma, a member of the ANC. I'm here with SA2 and K, and we are here to register our concern with a coalition that includes the Democratic Alliance. We have full confidence in the leadership of the African National Congress and the decision that they will be taking around how the government of national unity looks like. But what we are saying is that the government of national unity cannot include the Democratic Alliance. In our history, the Democratic Alliance has always stood on the opposition of transformation. If you go to Parliament and look at all the progressive legislations, including the recent NHI, the Democratic Alliance has never supported it. Our journey to the National Democratic Society, they stand diametrically opposed to it. They are anti-transformation, they are anti-minimum wage, they are anti-affirmative action, they are anti-BEE, and we cannot have people who are anti-transformation part of a government of national unity, because it means that the transformation agenda of the African National Congress.
Yes, and our membership are still very inclusive to this.
That means I'm wasting my entire youth for them.
No. How are we going to go justify
Millionaires, they must think.
I want to explain to my kids which I was here. I stopped it. I tried to stop it.
This case Kwale, and I am here to protest the ANC going into any coalition whatsoever with the DA, whether it's a government of national unity or it's a coalition in any form. The DA must be excluded from that. The ANC must find itself in partnership with progressive forces that are for transformation of the majority of people in South Africa. The DA is only interested in white interests. They are opposed to the ANC. They hate the ANC. So why should we collaborate with the enemy?
Fall down. DA must fall. DA must fall down.
Kuhlukene imbono eqembini le-ANC, ubuholo obuphezulu beNEC bubambe umhlangano ngaphakathi ehhotela eBedford. Amanye amalungu e-ANC ashaya itoyitoyi athi ngeke bakubone lokho ukuthi i-ANC ingasebenzisana ne-DA.